Hi students, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here to learn about the intermediate second year 2A chapter 8 measures of dispersion. So in that we will discuss about the long answer questions which I have listed in my last video, right? So we'll go with the first one now. We have to calculate the variance and standard deviation of the following continuous frequency distribution. So of continuous frequency distribution, okay? So just remember the formula which we have discussed in our last video, okay? So now first what we'll do is we'll now construct the table with given data, okay? We'll first construct the table with given data. So this is the class interval, okay, and this is frequency. So we'll call this as Fi, okay. Now this is midpoint of Ci, okay. This will call as Ci, okay. So midpoint, this is midpoint of Ci, that we'll call it as Xi. Then this is Yi, which is equal to Xi minus 65 divided by 10, okay. And this is Yi square, and this is Fiyi, and this is Fiyi square, okay. So now the range given for this is, the class interval given is 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, then 90 to 100, right? So now we'll find the frequency. The frequency given is 3, 7, 12, 15, 8, 3 and 2. So now the n is equal to summation of Fi, right? So that is equal to here 50, okay. Then this will be the midpoint of Ci, okay. That is midpoint is that from 30 to 40, the midpoint is 35, right? And this is 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. And then Yi is equal to Xi minus 65 by 10. So this will be 35 minus 65 by 10, that is minus 3. This is minus 2. Just calculate this, okay. Minus 1, then this is 0, this 1, 2 and 3, okay. Now Yi square will be 9, okay, because minus 3 whole square will be 9, right? 9, this is 4, 1, 0, again 1, this is 4 and this is 9, okay. And Fi is Fi into Yi, what is Fi? 3, 3 into minus 3, okay. So minus 9, this is minus 14, this is minus 12, this is 0, this is 8, 6 and 6, okay. Now Fi square, okay. Fi is 3 and Yi is 9, so 3 into 9 is 27, then this is 28, this is 12, this is 0, this is 8, this is 12 again, and this is 18, okay. So now here we will find sigma of, that is summation of Fiyi. That will be equal to, just sum of all this, we'll get minus 15, and here summation of Fiyi square, that is equal to, we will get the sum of these numbers as 105, okay. Width of class interval. Width of class interval h is equal to 10, okay, because the width is 10, right? Because 90 to 100, it means the interval is 10 between them. And assumed mean, okay, assumed mean A is equal to 65, okay, because I'll show you how, because from 35 to 95, our number is, midterm is 65, right? So that is our assumed mean. Okay. So mean, that is x bar. So did you understand what is x bar now? So x bar means the mean. Okay. X bar is equal to a plus summation of FIYI divided by n, okay, into h. So that is equal to here 65 plus minus 15 by 50 into 10, okay, that is equal to 62 here. Okay, now we'll find the variance. Okay, because we have to find here variance and standard deviation, right? So first we'll find the variance, then it will be easy for us. So sigma square of x, sigma x square, okay, that is equal to h square divided by n square into n of summation of FIYI square minus summation of FIYI whole square. Okay, so that is equal to here 100 divided by this is 2500, this will be, okay, n square, because then 50 into 105. We have calculated all this in the above table, so just check there. Okay, and this is minus 15 whole square. Okay, that will be equal to 1 by 25 into 5250, okay, minus 225, this will be. So that is equal to, we get it as 201. Okay, just check. Okay, so this is the variance we got, and standard deviation, that is sigma x is equal to root of 201, that is equal to 14.18. Approximately we get it as 14.18. So this is our answer for standard deviation. Okay. Now we'll go with the second question. We have to find the mean deviation from the median for the following data. Okay. So keeping the observations in ascending order. Okay. Why we are doing this? Because for median, we'll always put the observations in ascending order. Okay, then we'll find the median, right? So, keeping the observations in ascending order, xi, fi. So, I've already drew a table. So, xi, fi, cf. Okay, then xi minus median whole mod of this, then fi into mod of xi minus median. Okay, so now xi is given as, we'll put this in ascending order now directly. Okay, so 3, then 6, 9, 12, 13, 15, 21, 22. Okay, and fi is, the corresponding fi is 3. For 3 it is 3, right? For 6 it is 4. For 9 it is 5. Then 2, this is 4, 5, 4, and 3. Okay, cf. Okay, cf is 3. What is cf? Cf is cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency. So how do we do that is, it depends upon fi. So here it is 3, so 3. Then 3 plus 4 will add this cumulative frequency the first term and fi the second term. Okay, so 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. Okay, similarly we'll do for others. This is 12. This is 12 plus 2 is 14. Then this is 18, then this is 23, this is 27, and this is 30. Okay, and now mod of xi minus median, that is equal to, xi minus median is 10. Okay, then this is 7, this is 4, this is 1, this is 0, this is 2, 8, and this will be 9. Okay, so okay, I have already calculated this mode of xi minus median, but did you understand how did we get the median? I'll tell you. Um, we got that like median is, it's a value of x, that means xi, okay, xi, where we'll compare with cumulative frequency. Okay, so whose cumulative frequency, it should be greater than or equal to 15 here, because cumulative frequency at last we got it as 30, right? So half of that is 15. So median is the value of this x, okay, the value from this x whose cumulative frequency is greater than or equal to 15. So here, where do we find 15 here? We find 14 and we also found 18. So as per our definition, it should be greater than or equal to 15, right? So 15 comes after 14. So greater than 15 is 18. So the value of xi corresponding to cumulative frequency 18 is 13, right? Okay, so that means our median is 13. Okay, did you understand this? So as per this, I have calculated this xi minus median. So please do that. Okay, the first one I'll explain. Xi minus median for the first row, that is, this is 3 minus our median, 3 minus 13. So I got it as 10. Then 6 minus 13, I got it as 7. Okay, so similarly do for others. Now we'll go with the Fi into a mod of xi minus median, that is equal to Fi is 3. 3 into 10, that is 30. Next 4 into 7, that is 28. Then this is 20, 2, 0, 10, 32, 27. Okay, so the summation of this total is 149, and summation of this Fi is 30. Okay, so okay, I'll also write like a sigma of Fi by 2, that is equal to n by 2, that is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15. Okay, so actually we have a formula also for this to find the median. Okay, so before finding the median, uh, please find this, then after this we'll find the median. It will be easy for us. Okay, I've just explained you previously, but now I'm writing in this way. So better if you write in this way, like a summation of Fi by 2, if you do, then you will get to know the range, the frequency value range, uh, the cumulative frequency range which you have to compare. Okay, so therefore mean deviation from median, okay, that is equal to, we have a formula, that is summation of Fi into xi minus median whole modulus divided by sigma of Fi, that is equal to, here we got it as 149 divided by, this is 30, right? So that is equal to 4.97. Okay, so now the third question, the following table gives the daily wages of workers in a factory. So now we have to compute the standard deviation and the coefficient of variation of the wages of the workers. Okay, so for that first we'll construct the table. Okay, if you construct the table, then it is very easy to solve the problem, because we already knew the formula, right? So always make sure you construct the table in the correct way. So construct the table with the given data. I'll draw a table now. Okay, now I have drawn a table, and I have also written the wages and the frequency, that is number of workers in this table. Okay, so these are the wages, and this is the number of workers, that is our frequency Fi. Okay, so now we'll proceed to the midpoint. So midpoint is our Xi. Okay, so Xi will be the midpoint of 125 and 175 is 125 plus 175 divided by 2, that will be 150, right? So similarly for this, the midpoint for this will be 200. Okay, for this it is 250, then 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550. Okay. So now we have to calculate yi. Yi is equal to xi minus a by h. So here h is class interval and a is our assumed mean, right? So first we'll calculate that below the table. Okay. So here, what is the width of class interval here? That is h is equal to 175 minus 125 is 50, right? So it's same for all the ranges. Okay, so our h is 50 and our assumed mean, that is a, is equal to how much? 300, right? Okay, so now we got a and h. So we'll calculate yi now. Okay. So yi for the first one, it will be equal to xi minus a by h, that is 150 minus 300 divided by h is 50. Okay. That will be equal to 150 by 50, that is equal to minus 3, right? Okay, so similarly, please do calculate for others. That this will be minus 2, this will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now Fi into Yi. Where is our Fi? This is 2 into minus 3. Okay, that is minus 6. Then this will be minus 44. Okay, then minus 19, then 0, then 3, this is 8, then 18, this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, then now we'll do Fiyi square. So here it will be equal to 2 into, what is yi square? This will be 9, right? 3 3s are 9. So 9 2s are, this will be 18. Okay, and similarly for the others it will be 88. This will be 19. This will be 0. Okay, this will be 3. Then 16, 54. 16 and 25. Okay, now we have to find the summation of Fi, that is n, that is equal to 72 here. Okay, summation of all this. Then we have to do summation of this Fiyi. Okay, that is equal to here. It will be minus 31. Okay, then the summation of Fiyi square is equal to 239. Okay, so now we have completed the table. Now we will find the mean and the variance. Okay, so mean, that is x bar, is equal to a plus, we have a formula for this, right? A plus summation of Fiyi divided by n, okay, into h. Okay, this is our formula. So this will be equal to x bar is 300 plus, this is minus 31 divided by 72 into 50. Okay, that is equal to 300 minus, this is 1550 divided by 72. That will be equal to 278.47. Please just calculate this. Okay, so this is our main. Then we'll find the variance now. Variance, that is sigma x square, is equal to h square divided by n square into n sigma of, that is a summation of Fiyi square minus summation of Fiyi the whole square. Okay, so this is the formula for variance. So we'll substitute the values in this. That will be equal to 2500 divided by 72 into 72 into 72 into 239 minus 31 into 31. Okay, so SD, that is our standard deviation. Okay, that is sigma of x will be equal to root of this, right? Whole root of this, that is 2500 divided by 72 into 72 into 72 into 239 minus 31 into 31 whole root of this. Okay, so that will be equal to 2500 into 239 by 72, because the 172 will get cancelled, right? And minus this will be 961 divided by 72 into 72. We can write in this form, right? So whole root of this, that will be equal to, please calculate this. So I have already calculated, so approximately I'm getting this value as 88.52. Okay, so then the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation, that is equal to sigma x by divided by x into, divided by x bar into 100, that is equal to 88.52 divided by 278.47 into 100, that is equal to 31.79 is our answer. So now we'll move on to the fourth question. Find the mean deviation about the medium from the following continuous distribution. So here I have already drew a table even in the solution. Okay, so that it will be easy for me to explain. Okay, so construct the table with given data. Then I have drew a table and I have written class interval and also the frequency here. Okay, so now we'll move on to the other columns, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, here it will be 5. You know what is cumulative frequency, right? How to calculate it? So 5 plus 8. Okay, this will be same, and this plus this gives me this answer. Okay, 13, and then 13 plus 7, that is 20. Then this is 32, this is 60, 80, 90, and then 100. Okay, and then midpoint, that is xi. So midpoint of 0 to 10 will be 5, right? Then 10 to 20 it will be 15. Then this is 25, this is 35, 45, 55, 65, and this is 75. Okay, so now we have to find xi minus median here. Okay, so for that we have to calculate median first, right? So, okay, here we know that n, that is sigma of fi, that is n, is equal to the sum of these all numbers, that is equal to 100 here. So, from that now we will find, okay, here n by 2, that is equal to 100 by 2 is equal to 50, right? Okay, so lies in the class interval. So where does this 50 lie? It lies in the class interval 40 to 50. Okay. So this is the median class. Okay. So therefore, there's a formula that median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus PCF divided by, I'll tell you what is PCF, okay, divided by F into H. Okay, this is the formula to find the median. So where L is the lower limit of median class. which is equal to 40 here, right? Then PCF, that is preceding cumulative frequency of the median class, which is 32. Okay, from the above table you can find that. Okay, then preceding, that means the before one, so that is 32, right? So I've taken this. Then frequency of the median class. Frequency, what is the frequency of the median class? 40 to 50, this one, right? So it will be 28, and width of median class, that is the class interval, will be equal to 10. Okay, because 40 to 50, the difference is 10, right? So we will write even that here. Okay, that is F is equal to frequency of median class is 28. Okay, then H, that is width of the median class, that is equal to 10. Okay, so now median is equal to, just substitute all those values in the above formula. Okay, that is 40 plus 50 minus 32 divided by 28 into 10. Okay, that is equal to 40 plus 18 by 28 into 10, that is equal to 40 plus 6.43, that is equal to 46.43. Okay, so now we got the median as 46.43. So we are going to substitute that value here. Okay, in this table, that is here xi minus median, that is xi minus 46.43. Okay, so now xi minus median, what is the xi here? 5. 5 minus median, that is 5 minus 46.43. So the value will be, okay, 5 minus 46.43. So here the value will be 41.43. Okay, so similarly please calculate for others also. This will be 31.43. This is 21.43. This will be 11.43. Okay, this is okay, 1.43. This is 8.57. Okay, then this will be 18.57, and this will be 28.57. Okay, so now we will calculate Fi into Xi minus median. Okay, so what is Fi here? 5. Okay, 5 into, what is xi minus median? We got 41 into 43. Okay, so that will be equal to 207.15. Okay, so similarly please calculate for other numbers. So here it will be 251.44, 150.01, 137.16, 40.04, 171.4, 185.7, 285.7. Okay, so now the summation of this will be equal to 1428, that is 1428.6. Okay, so from this we will calculate now the mean deviation about the median. Okay, so since we know that mean deviation about the median, okay, mean deviation about the median, the formula is 1 by n into summation of I equal to 1 to 8 fi into mod of xi minus median. Okay, so now we will substitute our values in this formula. So that will be equal to 1 by 100. Okay, the n value is 100, right? So 1 by 100 into the summation, the sum we got for fi into xi minus median. So that is for 1428.6. Okay, that is equal to 14.286. That is equal to 14.29 approximately. Okay, so this is our answer.